Hello children, welcome back to our Hindi class. In previous class, we have learned R2, U letters and matras. Today we are going to learn RU letter and matra. First of all, we will revise all the letters. A. How to write A? Number 3 and 1. Then we have to join this together and one sleeping line. This is A. And there is no matra for A letter. And A. See 3, 1 and one more 1. Then same like this we have to join. Here can you see in these two letters which is extra line? Standing line, right? And this standing line is matra of A letter. This is the symbol which carries the sound of A. मतलब ये क्या है? A की मात्रा. And E. See? Yes. And one tail, one small standing line, one sleeping line. Then this is matra of E. See, this two is same, right? Now we should add one small tail here. This is E letter. And this is symbol of E. E ki matra. What is this number? 3, right? In this 3 till here, it means half of the letter is matra of U. U ki matra. Then U ki matra. So we have learned these letters and symbols in previous class. Today we are starting RU. What is this symbol? Greater than. Standing line and E letter. One sleeping line. What is this letter called? Re. Very good. Today we are going to learn Re and matra. How we should write matra of Re? You know ABCD? Yes. How to write C? Small c. This is C, right? And this is the symbol of Re. Re ka akshar, Re ki matra. Dear children, take your textbook page number 37. Here we have few words with RU ka akshar and RU ki matra wale akshar. First we will practice words with RU. First word is what? Ritu. Ritu means what? Season. How to write Ritu? See here. Greater than and one standing line and E. This is what? Re. Right? Now again one standing line. So you will write N, right? N letter. You have to write same here like N. Okay? And U ki matra. This is what? Ritu. How to pronounce this word? Ritu. Ritu means what ma? Season. Ritu means season. Next word is Richa. Now you know how to write Ri. Right? Richa. One small sleeping line. Then U letter and one standing line and A ki matra. A ki matra means yes, standing line. How to pronounce this? Richa. Richa is a name. Richa is a name. Okay. Next word Rishi. See again Re. Today we are learning Re, right? So we will learn all 3 letter words. Rishi, Re, then U letter, one standing line and from here to here one cross line. Okay. Then E ki matra and sleeping line. This is what? Rishi. Rishi means what? Saint. Rishi is the saint. Next, Riju. Again, Re letter. Then Ju. See? What is this letter? U. Yes. Then one sleeping line and one standing line. Now again we should add here U ki matra. How to pronounce this word? Riju. Riju means upright. Ritu. Ritu means season. Richa. Richa is a name. Rishi. Rishi is a saint. Then रिजु. रिजु means upright. Now we will practice री की मात्रा वाले शब्द. री, how to write री की मात्रा? Like C, right? This is the symbol of री. This symbol carries the sound of री. It means री की मात्रा. First word is गृह. How to write ga? See, number 11. What is this number? 11. Here first line is there, no? You have to make a small circle here and this should be little down. This is ga. You should add ri ki matra here. How to pronounce this now? Gri. Yes, very good. Next ha. One small standing line. Yes and C. See which letters I have added here? Yes and C. I'll repeat again. Yes and from here C. Okay. This is ha. Now how to pronounce this word? Grih. Pronounce this grih. Grih means what? House. Ghar also house and grih also house only. Next mrig. Ma. 11. Then from here 1 0 and one sleeping line. Then again you have to draw a line here like standing line. Ma. Ma में which मात्रा? 2 की मात्रा. मृ ग. मृग. मृग means what? मृग means deer. Okay. How to pronounce this? मृग. And this is grih. Grih is house. मृग is deer. Next one वृक्ष. One standing line and 1 0 here. Then री की मात्रा like C. Then ksha. One standing line and ksha letter will be like this. It means you will write yes letter na. You have to make it reverse. Understood? Then from here to here you should join and tail will come down here. Clear? This is vriksh. Vriksh means tree. Next word krishak. One standing line and 0 and half 0. See, we will write ka. का में कौन सी मात्रा है? री की मात्रा. कृषक. क्रा. Then U and one standing line. From here to here one cross line. Then again same ka will come. Now pronounce this krishak. Krishak means what? Farmer. Kisan also farmer and krishak also. Now we will learn how to read these ones. Grih. Grih means house. Next mrig. Mrig is deer. Vriksh. Vriksh is tree. Krishak. Krishak means farmer. So children, here we have few pictures. We should write the meaning of that. This is what? Ghar, right? Now we learned this by using ri ki matra. So we should write grih here. Grih, farmer is krishak, tree means vriksh, deer is mrig. So children, in your textbook page number 38, we have one rhyme about Makdi Rani. It means about spider queen. We will recite this. Makdi Rani, बतलाओ तो प्रश्न हमारा, कैसे तुमने जाल बुना है, इतना सुंदर इतना प्यारा. It means these children are asking to spider queen. Spider queen, answer our question. How did you make your web? Very beautiful and very lovely. जिससे जाल बुना वह धागा भला कहाँ से लाती हो, बुनने वाली जो मशीन है वह भी कहाँ छिपाती हो. From where did you get the thread to weave web? Did you hide your weaving machine? एक विनती तुमसे मेरी है छोटी सी सुनो जरा, मैं पतंग का धागा दे दूं, मेरे कपड़े बुनो जरा. Here these kids are asking to spider queen, can you listen to my request please? Let me give you thread of my kite. And can you weave my clothes? So children, here we can see a garden full of colorful flowers. This is Surajmukhi, Gulab, Gudhal, Champa, Lily, Guldaudi, Genda, Dahlia. So children, now you are clear with रू की मात्रा and रू के अक्षर वाले शब्द. And kindly practice the rhyme. I will upload the classwork in our school portal. We will meet in the next session. Take care.